Coming to the
Mhm.
SOH estimation, so is it
Mhm.
possible to estimate the SOH for different cycling? Let's say if I have to do 2 cycles a day, or 1.5 cycles a day, or 1 cycle a day.
The degradation or the self-health estimation is,
Right.
yeah, it's an output, and it depends on, I would say, it depends on the model that you're using. So the way to do that is just you're gonna go under interval data, standard cycle, and then you're gonna just specify a target power duration, maybe 4 hours, and as you said, maybe zero point 0.5 cycles a day. Then it heavily depends on the battery model that you chose. Within the battery model, there's a degradation tab. The degradation tab has different parameters that controls the sensitivity of this battery degradation, different things. So how sensitive the battery is to the temperature, how it is sensitive to depth of discharge, and other things. And this is expressed in terms of these kind of parameters. So KDOD, SEI, K temp, which controls the battery sensitivity to temperature. So if you build this model correctly, then it will be representative of whatever cycling pattern you have in mind. So if you get the data from the OEM and tune the model, the battery model, before you use it, you can then use that model to simulate any other kind of non-standard, I would say, dispatch pattern that the OEM doesn't provide.